In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs V3. We'll walk through the essentials so you can turn written text into natural-sounding speech with confidence. Start by heading to the ElevenLabs homepage. Once you're in the app, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a pinned sidebar with key tools. From there, select Text-to-Speech to open the main workspace where all the magic happens. On the Text-to-Speech page, open Settings. This panel gives you control over how your audio will sound. Begin by choosing a voice. Browse the available options and pick one that suits your project's tone narration, training, product demos, or anything else. You can always switch later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Next, choose a model. This determines how the system interprets and renders your text. From the model list, select 11 V3. It's designed to deliver highly expressive, lifelike speech, making it a great default for most use cases. Now fine-tune the output. Adjust stability to control how consistent or expressive the voice should be. Higher stability keeps the delivery steady and predictable. Lower stability introduces more variation and emotion. If you're unsure, start in the middle and adjust based on your script's needs. If your text is in a specific language or dialect, use language override to set it explicitly. Otherwise, you can leave it off and let the model detect the language automatically. Then, choose the output format. Select the file type and quality that match your workflow. For example, smaller file sizes are helpful for quick sharing, while higher quality is useful for editing or production. With settings in place, click into the text area labeled Type Your Text and paste or write your script. Clear punctuation and short sentences will help the model read naturally. When you're ready, click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process. If the delivery isn't quite right, simply adjust the voice, model, or stability and generate again until it fits your project.